If your Netflix is not working and if you're facing black screen problem, then watch this video till the end to solve your problem. Hi everyone, I am Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started. The very first reason why this happens is your device is actually rooted. So if you are using Android phone, make sure to unroot your device and to check whether or not your device is rooted. So you can simply go on Play Store and search root checker application. Then install it and see whether or not your device is rooted, because when you root your device you have many unlimitation but you also have many limitation in this restricted application. So just keep that thing in mind. Other reason why this happens is if your device is not using an official software. So if you are not using the software provided by your company and you are using a custom OS that you downloaded from somewhere else, you install it to your phone, that could be other reason why. And to check this, you just have to make sure to tap on the profile icon on the top of the right hand side of your screen. After you tap there, just click on settings and click on about. Scroll down and you can see Play Protect certification. If the device is certified, then Netflix must work. If the Netflix is not working, it means that you might be using a custom firmware. Now, if that doesn't help, there are also a couple of generic things that you can do. Long press on Netflix app and click on the eye icon on the top. Scroll down and click on storage. Clear your cache and clear all your data and open your Play Store and make sure that the Netflix is downloaded in the latest version. If it's not, then you can simply update it and your problem will be solved. If you like this video or if this video helped you in any way, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.